Today, I'll show you how to check in using the Ryanair app. If you're having trouble checking in on the Ryanair app, don't worry, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Ryanair app and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the check-in section. If you booked your flight using the same email address, your flight should appear automatically. If it doesn't, tap Retrieve My Booking. Next, enter your reservation number and email address, then tap Get My Booking. Your flight details will appear on the screen. Select the flight you want to check in for. Now enter the passenger information. Fill in the required details such as your document type, document number, country of issue, date of birth, and document expiry date. After that, choose your seat. You can either select a random free seat or pay for a specific seat if you prefer. Tap Continue to complete your online check-in. Once check-in is complete, you can view and download your mobile boarding pass directly in the app. Remember, online check-in is available 24 hours before departure, unless you have pre-booked seats, in which case check-in opens up to 60 days in advance. Thanks for watching.